In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Google VO3. If you're looking to manage your subscriptions and perhaps cut back on unnecessary services, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we walk through each step clearly and effectively. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Google Gemini. Google Gemini is the hub where you can manage various Google services, including subscriptions like VEO3. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Safari, or any other, and type in Google Gemini to get started. Now, you need to log into your account. Make sure you're using the account that is currently subscribed to Google VEO3. This step is crucial since you can only manage subscriptions linked to the account you're logging in with. Enter your credentials and ensure you're logged into the correct profile. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll find the menu here. It's the gateway to all your account settings and various Google services. Click on that menu icon to proceed. From the menu, look for the option that says Settings and Help. This is where all your account options reside, allowing you to manage various settings related to your Google services. Click on Settings and Help, and you'll be one step closer to altering your subscription. Next up, you'll see an option labeled View Subscriptions. Go ahead and click on it. This page will display all the subscriptions under your account, allowing you a comprehensive view of where your money is going concerning Google services. After you've opened the View Subscriptions section, shift your focus to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find another settings icon. Click on it to reveal further options related to your subscriptions. When you open these settings, you'll see various options pertaining to your subscriptions. Among them will be Cancel Membership. Select this option to begin the cancellation process for your Google VEO3 subscription. Finally, to complete the cancellation, you'll need to confirm your decision. A confirmation screen will appear, asking if you're sure you want to cancel your subscription. Take a moment to ensure this is what you want. Once you've confirmed, your subscription to Google VEO3 will be canceled. And there you have it. That's how you unsubscribe from Google VEO3. It's always a good practice to check your subscriptions now and then and make sure they align with your current needs. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.